Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I am Muhammad Usman and you are watching Usmanistic. Today I am here with another great festival that is going to be held in Bali. So in this video I will discuss who can apply for this festival, what will be the benefits of this festival, and I will also discuss either it will be a virtual or online mode or it will be physical. Uh, we will see what documents are required to apply for this festival. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, go to YouTube and then search Usman Nistic. After that, click on subscribe and then also press the bell icon. So let's see what will be the benefits and what will be the requirements of to participate in this festival. So the organization will be International Youth Foundation, and yep, it will be online, virtual. You will join any Zoom application or any other virtual application. The dates will be July 15 to July 18, which means that uh, it will be a 3-day conference. And the last day to apply for this festival is 30th June. Which means that today is 24th June and you will still have 6 or 7 days to apply for this amazing festival, as there is no application fee and there is no processing fee as well. What will be the benefits? All the participants will be awarded a certificate of participation. Okay, the participants will have opportunity to explore the culture, and there will be a chance to interact with the students from Indonesian universities as well, the students from all around the globe as well. So as there will be different participants from throughout the world, so it will be great opportunity for all of you to interact with them, to ask about their culture and to tell them about your culture as well. So now we will move forward about the eligibility criteria, and you can see that all those participants can apply whose age is above 18 years old, and age shouldn't be above than 29 years old. More you will, at the time of applying, you students must be enrolled in college or university. The graduates can also apply, or the participants will be are expected, actually will be, it's not will be, are expected to be proficient in English as well. uh, yeah, the last day to apply for this is June 30th, 2021. So it's very easy to apply for this festival, but before applying or during apply, you have to keep in mind some things, and I will tell you about these things. The Google form link will be in the description. You can just see the description and just click on the description link. uh, So in this festival, in this student festival, they have clearly mentioned the selection criteria as well. So what you have to do, you have to open your Instagram account, go to, just copy paste it, and then go in the search bar, and then here it is. You have to follow this, and then after that screenshot it, and later in the application you have to upload that screenshot. And then the second selection criteria is that you have to follow another Instagram account, that is Indonesian Youth Foundation. Simply do the same. You can also follow me on Instagram, and the Instagram account username will be in description, and you can also see somewhere in the screen right now as well, or during the video as well. So this is another Instagram account that you have to follow to be considered in this selection procedure. Just follow it, and then take the screenshot, and in later uh, application, in later part, you have to upload that screenshot. Then is share poster of BISF in your social media. So what post they are talking about? You can see there are different poster. Here is a section of poster, so simply click on that and you can get this poster. So simply screenshot it and share at any social platform you are using. You can share this on Instagram, on LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, any social platform that you think is comfortable for you. Again, take the screenshot of that and you have to upload in the later part of this application procedure. The most important is that you have to write a letter of motivation with a minimum 300 words and maximum 400 words. So in that motivation, you have to mention that why you are applying for this festival. Tell them about the culture, that you will learn about culture, and there will be in later part of application there will be uh, topics as well on which you have to, in which you think that you can talk or you can discuss that topic as well. So you can also mention that topic, that I want to simply I want to uh, discuss about tourism and culture. So you can also mention that in your motivation letter, that I want to discuss about tourism and culture because this. Okay. And the last thing is you need to upload your CV. So there is no CV format. You can use any format for the CV, but for a motivation letter there is a format. If you click on this, then you can get this. So simply write your, edit it, or you can simply download it, and then edit name here, write your name, then write your date of birth here, dear committee, and then you have to actually edit this part. So write here about what, why you want to join, like your motivation letter. And now we will fill this. So write your email, your name, your date of birth, nationality, institution, like University of Punjab, occupation like student, and then your telegram number. So it is compulsory for all of you to write your telegram number. Telegram is another application. Those students who don't know what is telegram is a social application just like WhatsApp. Okay. So most of the countries now, why countries and why other organizations are now preferring telegram instead of WhatsApp is that there is no limit of students or limit of participants, you can say. In WhatsApp groups we can just add 257 members, but in telegram number there is no such limit. So that's why organizations and other, even in Pakistan now, people are preferring telegram instead of WhatsApp. So you have to give your telegram number, and after you will submit your application, there will be a link as well. Okay. So you have through that link you can join the group of this festival as well. So after pressing click on next, and then we will get this. So these are two topics that you want to discuss. Okay. As I told you earlier about this, it can be other, it can be digital economy, technology, education, mental health, tourism and culture, youth empowerment, or if you have another topic in your mind, you can just simply click on other and write the topic that you want to discuss in the festival. uh, then the second choice. So this will be your first choice, and this will be your second choice. Just simply click any one, or actually not anyone, the topic in which you have interest. Simply click next, and then you will get this. You will here you will have to upload that screenshot of Instagram, where you follow the Instagram, this BISF 2020. Simply upload all these files, like, and then upload the screenshot of the Instagram account of Indonesia Youth Foundation, and then share the poster that you upload on your website. And then this letter of motivation. So you can upload JPG file for these sections, like you can upload JPG or PDF file in this section, but for particularly for letter of motivation you have to upload a PDF file. JPG file will not be considered in this section, okay, in this part. So what is JPG? Simply I can say a picture. Picture will not be entertained in this section. You have to upload a PDF file. Even Word file will not be considered. Then it is not, it's not compulsory to upload your CV, okay, but you have to upload it for to be in the game of selection. Just upload that and then click next. Okay, so after pressing after clicking the next button, you will get this page. Now you have to write again, why do you want to join Bali International Festival, Student Festival, and the maximum characteristics will be 100. So there is a difference between word and characters. Like if I will say I am going to school, so there are I am going to school. There are 5 words, but the characters will be different. will be more than the words. Like I consist of one character, am consist of two characters, and then going consist of five characters. So you have to take in your mind that characters and words are different. After that, we will share this. Yes, just click yes. So in this section, it's asking that if you are selected for this festival, are you allowing the international Bali International Student Festival, or the organization which is actually hosting this festival, to share your profile on the social media. Just click on yes, and then click on submit button. After clicking the submit button, you will get another page where the, you can say, where that Telegram group link will be there. You can simply join that group, and I think it's quite easy process. It's easiest to apply on any festival, as there is no processing fee and there is no application fee. You have to just upload some screenshots and a motivation letter. If you are facing any difficulty in filling that form, you can simply comment your queries in the comment section. I will see you you in another video. So Allah Hafiz.